Good morning. Today I've come up to the North Burial Ground in Providence, Rhode Island, and I am going to be cleaning a few graves I've been taking care of. There were the graves of my grandparents on my father's side, my great-grandparents on my father's side, and a couple of random people that I just found that the graves were really dirty, and I've been cleaning them over time. This is a very old cemetery. It's open 8 to 4 every day. The roads are old and rough and bumpy, as you'll see. And there are many Civil War dead here, as many dead from the even early 1700s. There's a variety of graves. Some are monuments, some are tall, some are statues, some are mausoleums, some are marble, some are stone, some are granite. That person died in 1876. Just amazing. We even have above ground graves. So the stories that those could tell, I would imagine, quite something. I'm imagining just a grave in a box above the ground there. That's what that is, as well as something like that over there. And then people buried in hills. Like I said, this is very old. The person died in 1809, 1866. So I appreciate you taking a ride with me today on my little journey here. There's a hill burial there that's bricked in. You have to excuse the bumps. Like I said, this is a very old graveyard. Now I've been cleaning these stones over the last, I think, I'm gonna say 2 or 3 years. And when I started, they were very dirty and black. I haven't been here now for probably 7 or 8 months. So the last time I cleaned them, we'll see what's transpired now. I've been using wet and forget, and all I do is spray them and I just leave them alone. And they actually clean themselves over time with the wind, the weather, and the rain. That's all it takes. So yeah, I don't have to be scrubbing them with all kinds of stuff. So I believe I make a left here. Yep. And I'm gonna go down like a hill, I believe. It's funny. It's hard to remember sometimes how to get to the graves. And then when I'm right near it, I can never find it, even though I'm really right near it. Very, very steep, like dirt, washed out road here. I think it actually might be over here. I'm gonna go down here and make a left. Yep, I think but I might not be right. I'm usually never right when I'm trying to get here, and I find it in short fashion. Oh yeah, I might be up around this corner here. I might be up around this corner. Not yet. Yeah, I made the wrong turn. I'll put this on pause so not to bore you driving around here looking for where I'm going, and I'll catch back with you in a little while.